Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I want to show you how village life and village is sweet. So guys can see this how this baby palm fruit. Can see how we roast this one. So guys can see the main one on the fire, and this one is baby palm fruit. So if you roast it like this, it's very sweet. So this is what you want to eat. This is baby palm fruit. This one they're very soft. You don't have seed inside, and children like it. Even me self like it because you don't have seed, and they're very sweet. When you roast it, you pick it, put small salt inside, and eat it. Can see all the children are waiting for it. Mama G, say hello. Say hello. This is her mother, my senior sister's daughter. Then came home.
You can see me doing it. Hello.
Can see. I see how he's doing it. And can see my senior sister, Mama, in the house.
Hello. Bye.
And this is my mother's last born.
Bye.
See this one inside rubber. Come out now. Why are you hiding inside the rubber? These children. If you come village, you see different character. So this one is baby palm fruit. So we are roasting it to eat. To chop.
It is very sweet though.
It's very sweet.
Very delicious.
And see,
I have not
when you do it, you pick it inside the fire. Wow. This one no need of washing it before you do.
No.
Clean it like this.
No.
Wow.
Wow. Wash it. You just want to clean it like this.
Use your hand to clean it, then
Not a little.
you eat it. See, this I want to eat it now. Wow.
See the way the children
See,
picking it one
again.
by one.
See how they are picking it. Well, children like it, no be small. Village life is sweet.
Very sweet too. Very sweet.
Very sweet. Wow.
Very delicious.
Anything use firewood do cook is very sweet. You can't go you eat food with food that use firewood to cook it. You love it. The food tastes different than stove or gas. If you use firewood cook food, the food tastes very different than stove or gas. So guys can see my sister is still picking it from the fire. Don't just pour it inside the fire. If you want to roast it, you fetch the fire from the inside one either cover pot or anything, so that you pour the palm fruit on it, then you roast it. This is how the thing be. And see how the fire be. And see the palm fruit. This one, you want to use it and make oil. If you don't, they will take it engine to pound it. And see, we make small to cook. After cooking it, we take it to engine and pound it. This is how we get our oil from. It's very rich. Come village, you see different things. Eat different fresh food that fire cook. So that is all for village life. It's very sweet. Thanks for watching. Please kindly subscribe and comment and share it to your loved one. We meet again in my next video. I love you guys. Bye.